In this video, we'll be taking a look at the amazing benefits of plums. One of the most mouth-watering fruits is none other than plums. They're loved by almost everyone because of their juicy and sweet taste. It's also a global fruit, so it's available in most countries. The best part of a plum is not its taste though, it's the added benefits that come with it. It's like a full package, deliciousness with health. So, if you're a fruit lover but also a fitness freak, well now you know what your ideal go-to fruit might be. Keep watching this video for amazing facts about plums and their benefits. Also make sure you watch till the very end because I have some extra tips that might change your life. Hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Number 7. Prevents viral infections. Influenza is one of the most popular names when it comes to viral infections, and since the virus has millions of strains, it's almost impossible to get immune to it, and you're most likely to get infected if there's a viral wave, but not anymore. Plums are great for prevention of influenza and other viral infections. All you really need to do is eat some raw plums every day or drink its fresh juice, which by the way tastes delicious, and your antibodies will work just fine preventing and fighting influenza. Number 6. They work great for mental health. Now this might sound a little bizarre, but plums are said to have great influence on your mental health. Most of the psychological disorders start with anxiety and stress. Those two work as cancer cells in your brain because they end up eating your happiness little by little. It is extremely important that stress and anxiety get controlled in its initial stages so it doesn't develop into depression or other serious issues. Having plums regularly can decrease the amount of stress hormones in your body and can make you feel better. Number 5. They help in weight loss. Obesity and being overweight is a global problem these days because of the lack of exercise and body movements and the increase in fatty and junk food consumption. People go through strict diets and workout plans to lose weight. Plums have properties that help in increasing your metabolic activities, which in turn helps big time in losing weight. Add a regular supply of plums to your diet, a few every morning would work just fine, and go for a run later. Also, when you're trying to lose weight, you usually cut down on your sugars and sweets. But what about those cravings? Well, now you have plums as an option. They'll satisfy your sweet cravings and benefit your health, too. Number 4. They're great for pregnant women. Women during their pregnancy usually take extra care about their diet and things that would have an impact on the baby. Well, they surely don't have to worry about plums because this fruit is great for the fetus. It has many nutrients that help with growth and development of a child. It also helps strengthen the immunity of the mother so she doesn't get sick and thus affect the baby with any potential viruses or bacteria. Having plums on a regular or daily basis can give great positive results, and if you're pregnant, you'll definitely feel the difference in your health. Number 3. For great and glowing skin. Women every year spend thousands of dollars on getting the perfect products for their skincare routines. They purchase all sorts of medications and creams, but what they don't realize is that their solution lies in the most naturally occurring things. Plum does wonders for the skin. It clears out your stomach and antioxidants, and makes your insides satisfied. That obviously shows on the skin. Your blemishes and acne will eventually start clearing out, and you'll look more red and glowing. Drinking plum juice every day is going to boost up the process of getting a glowing skin. You could also try making a natural DIY plum mask and apply it to your face. Number 2. Restoration of your hair shine. Tired of using chemical products on your hair only to get unsatisfying results? Why don't you give plums a chance? Because of our shampoos and other chemical products, our hair has dried or lost its shine. But don't worry because plums have the solution. They're rich in vitamin E and can help great time in improving your hair health and make them look shinier. Usually when we go out, the UV rays from the sun makes our hair dry and look dead. It's okay. Just add plums to your regular morning routine and witness the magic over time. Number 1. Get rid of constipation. Plums are a great solution for a constipated stomach. Usually constipation has many reasons, but one of them is a lack of water and sorbitol in your system. Sorbitol is an alcohol compound in your body that helps in getting things out of your system easily. Make sure to consume more plums if you too have a constipated stomach on a regular basis. And that's all for today. Make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already, and share this video with friends and family so they can benefit from it as well. Let us know in the comments below about your favorite fruits and the benefits that come with them. Stay healthy and harmonious.